Tal, it was a crazy week. Bully beef and all these things. Let's take a look at the Intense 5. Fake or not, social media went crazy with a report of fake Magnum on the market. Marsha Lumley clears the air.
So, with Magnum, once you have the red metal cap that is branded Magnum,
Okay.
yes, and when you open it, what may I get here?
A crack.
A crick man,
Yeah.
it's not a crack. So when you open it,
Okay.
you hear it? Crick.
Okay.
So you know that this is real Magnum from Jerry and Nephew Limited, and it's authentic, so you have nothing to worry about.
Nice, and this is
there
the
is
bottle.
no fake Magnum.
So this is the bottle with the
Both
code.
of them.
So let me
It's-
hear the
it-
crick crick or the one without the code.
Come on, girl. Crick everywhere.
Crick crick. All right.
All right. See? So both of them give you the crick sound, and they're both from Jerry and Nephew. There's no fake Magnum in Jamaica. It's not easy to replicate Magnum.
Okay.
So it's authentic, it's real. And you can enjoy your Magnum just the way you've loved it because it's real.
Spice's back to school drive turned out to be more than she bargained for. The place did ram. She only planned for 500 kids and it was way more than that. Big up yourself, Spice. Always doing good.
Who is bully beef? Really? So first mackerel, then candy, now bully beef. There are no words to say. Them just for start a whole supermarket
Tuna.
and put them in there.
Tuna
right?
next.
Exactly.
Congrats to the Platinum Prince Sean Paul and his wife Jodie on the birth of their baby girl Remy. She's so cute! And Levi with her, he's so cute too. They're really so cute. Congrats, guys.
And finally holding the spot this week. So the video goes viral. Donuts, burnouts, and all these things. We all saw the video when the driver pulled up. Fast forward a few days later, the driver is brought back to the scene by police to apologize. He says sorry, then the police find out after that he wasn't the actual driver. He wasn't even in the car. Oh boy, Jamaica is not a real place. I saw that live right in front of me. I was in traffic at sight and I was like, oh, okay. But
No comment.
they make so much fuss about this man. Taxi men drive worse than that. Please, do something about that instead. Because all of that, I was just like, and there's so many taxi men on the road just
a bit mess.
yeah, it's just a mess. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on social media at TVJ Intense.